already.
Yeah. I saw on the news it's rated #1 in the Alameda County. And a lot of the parent or families that go there are from like underprivileged, like low income, and English is not a first language.
Right, most of them. I don't know about the first one. Then depending, they have different survey.
Okay.
They have different people,
It was on the news,
But
so
it's
that's how I
good.
found
That's a
out.
very, very good school. If I have my son now, I will raise my son now, I would send them.
Oh, okay.
Yes, it is. I mean, it's low income. A lot of our children's low income, but we have a lot other, middle class. We have a lot of professionals.
Oh, really?
Mixed in too. Because the school has a good reputation. It's not like everybody's low income, but then for low income school,
It's not by district though. Don't they have to be in the district in order to be able to?
They can go through open enrollment.